Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to turn subtitles on or off on Amazon Prime Video using a Fire TV stick. Before you start playing a movie or TV show, make sure the language you want is selected if you're given that option. Once your video is playing, press the button with the 3 horizontal lines on your Fire TV stick remote. This will open the playback menu on the screen. Next, press the up button on the remote and navigate to the subtitles option. Select Subtitles to open the subtitle settings. From there, select Subtitles again and choose the subtitle or language you want. Once selected, the subtitles will appear on the screen. Anytime you're watching a video, you can also look for the CC icon in the playback menu. Use your remote to highlight and select that icon to instantly turn subtitles on for that video. If you want to turn subtitles off, just repeat the same steps and disable them. This change will apply only to the video you are currently watching. And that's how you turn subtitles on or off on Amazon Prime Video using a Fire TV stick. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.